Welcome! In front of me I have Garmin Forerunner 570 and I'm gonna show you how to uninstall applications on this watch. Okay, so first thing we need to do is to open the activities or favorites menu. To do it, you need to press the start button. Once the menu opens, you can scroll through this menu and look for the icon of the app you want to remove. Usually the icon you install, or rather the apps you installed, or the icons of the apps you installed will be right here on this list, but somewhere at the bottom. And let's say you want to remove some app. You can select it, then press and hold the app button to open the menu, and then you can scroll down. And here we have this option, delete from device. If you select this option, it will basically remove the application from your watch. You can tap on it, confirm by pressing the start button, and the application will be uninstalled. If your watch is paired with a phone, you can also use the Connect IQ Store application to do this stuff. So you can go to your phone that is paired with your watch, and on that phone you will need to have the application called Connect IQ Store. This app is basically used to download the applications, watch faces and stuff like that for Garmin watches. It's very useful. It's a shame that you need to have a separate app for it, but it works very well. And yeah, basically it works fine, but it just you need to have another app, which is a bit annoying. Anyway, you need to open the Garmin IQ. And in the app, you can tap on device icon, and here you will see my device apps category. And you have a list of applications installed and not installed on your watch. Not installed list is basically the list of apps that were installed on your watch, but they're not installed anymore. And you can tap on the app you want to remove, tap on the more options icon, and tap on uninstall and uninstall. And the app will be removed from your watch. So if you open the favorites menu, scroll down, it should be gone from here, as you can see, and it will be on the not installed list now in the app. And that's how you uninstall applications on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.